Hello guys, it's Jarisa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be making a different video. We are going to be going to the zoo for the first time in a long time, and the first time also with Zoe. This is a zoo that allows you to like drive by and see the giraffes and the lions and all the big animals. So I'm really excited about that. Because of the virus, we haven't really been able to go anywhere, so I feel like this is a special occasion, and I'm going to be taking you along the process of like doing my hair. I'm going to do my makeup a little bit. I'm going to get ready, and it's gonna be kind of like a vlog. I'm gonna be basically recording the whole experience so you guys can go along with me. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you never miss out my videos. I feel like I'm a broken record saying that, but if you don't hit the notification bell, then you don't hit notifications. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and let's just get along with it. Now I'm going to exfoliate my skin, and I'm going to do my hair first because I do that first, and then I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on, and then I'm gonna put my clothes, and then I have to go make some lunch for Zoe and get her ready. So let's go. I'm going to be using this for my skin to exfoliate, and then I'm going to put a moisturizer on. By the way guys, I'm really excited because I got to paint my nails. You know that I never have color in my nails, and it's just because I'm always so busy and like, you know, taking care of the house and sewing and all that. I don't really get time to do anything for myself, so I appreciate little things like that. I bought like a gel machine to do my nails at home, and I'm gonna be able to paint my nails and just keep them on for longer. And I'm also so happy because my hair is like growing so much. I'm just gonna make a high ponytail. That's usually what I do, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. By the way, this is the moisturizer that I have been using for like the last month. There is a discount in the description box in case you're interested in trying. This is really good because you can mix the ingredients that you want and just use whatever it is that you need for your own skin. Now I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to be doing something that is very good for like everyday wear. I just want to make my skin look a little bit less pale and less like I don't sleep. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of foundation, and then I'm also going to apply a bunch of concealer because, as you can tell, I have very bad dark circles. I don't know how to fix it, so if you have any tricks, let me know in the comment section. And I'm just going to apply concealer twice until I can cover it as much as I can. Then I'm going to do my brows, and for this I'm just going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the color dark brown. I like doing my brows because I feel like I accomplish something when I get them done, and also I just feel like it just puts my whole look together even if I'm not wearing that much makeup. Whenever I'm wearing simple makeup, I always like to do my eyeliner. I don't know, I can't live without this, and I love wearing eyeliner, and this is like my staple. I'm not really that much into lashes, but I feel like if I have the eyeliner, I'm good to go. And then the next thing that I'm doing is to just apply a little bit of blush, and I just like this because it brings a little bit of color into my face. I also love this lipstick by Revlon. It's like a chapstick consistency, and I just love it because it smells really good and it has a really pretty light color that lasts a long time, so that's why I like it. Now I'm just going to be choosing something to wear, and I want something comfortable because we're gonna spend the whole day in the car, and then I'm just going to put on my accessories and my perfume. And after all of this has been done, this is what I look like. Just a very simple look and great for family time. Now I'm gonna be working in the kitchen. I need to heat something up for Zoe. This is what I made the night before. I made chicken alfredo with pasta, and she loves this. So I'm just gonna be cutting it up really small, and then we're gonna have lunch. I lose my breath. As you can see, I was trying to brush Zoe's hair while she was finishing her food, and it's just because it's so hard. Like, she doesn't like me to do her hair, so I always take as many opportunities as I can to get it done, but sometimes it just doesn't work. I also was packing all of her little snacks for the trip. I always make sure that we have a bunch of food because she gets really hungry whenever we're not in the house. And then I just have to clean up the kitchen and we're gonna be good to go.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
I always like to clean the kitchen before we leave the house because whenever we come back, I'm just so tired and I don't really want to deal with that. So I like to clean up as much as I can so I don't have to work on that whenever I'm tired. Let me know if you do the same thing, but it's just something that I always do before we leave the house.
You set my world on fire. You set my world on.
I also decided to clean up the sink because I saw that it was really greasy and I hate when it's like that. So I'm just gonna clean that real quick and then we're gonna be good to go.
You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow.
Everything here is ready, so now we're leaving. Zoe, what are you doing? What are you doing? You took it off.
That's desire.
It was a really beautiful day. It was actually Labor Day when I recorded this, and we had a lot of fun by looking at the animals, and she was very intrigued by all the animals. It was a really beautiful experience to get to see all the animals and different types that I had never seen before. And I also like that you can see them like spending more time on the outdoors and they really have a lot of space. So it was really fun to get to see all this. I also wanted to ask for your advice, guys. I have been looking for ideas of things that we can do outside of the house without exposing ourselves or others, but it's really hard because there are not many things that we can do out here. This is something that was really interesting because we got to see all the animals inside the car. We never let the car for anything, and there were a lot of people that were doing the same thing. So just let me know the things that you're doing in the comment section to have fun with your kids and with your family in these times of quarantine.
I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know.
We already came back from the trip and now we're walking, and that's gonna be the end for the video. Let me show you Zoe. Here is Zoe. We're taking a walk. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I wasn't recording.
No, the whole time?
No, just when I said the Zoe part.
Oh, God.